So coming to the fourth topic, Ullas. Ullas, understanding of lifelong learning for all in society. It is recently in news because the Prime Minister recently shared an article condemning Ullas program for transforming adult education and advancing literacy goals. So coming to the details of Ullas, it is also known as New India Literacy Program, NILP. So this is a centrally sponsored scheme. So the sponsored scheme is center will give some part of the fund and the states will give some part of the fund. So the Ministry of Education. The implementing period is from 2022 to 2027. So it is implemented through mainly volunteer teachers, students of schools and higher educational institutions and teacher education institution. So coming to the what is the objectives of this Ullas program? The main objective is to target all non-literate. So what are the objectives of the scheme? The major objective is to target who non-literates of age 15 years and above. So 15 years అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ నాన్ లిటరేట్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళని టార్గెట్ చేయడం దీని యొక్క మెయిన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్. అండ్ విత్ మోర్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ఫీమేల్స్ అండ్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్లీ backward states. So the main targets are 5 crore learners, nearly 1 crore per 1 year, by using online teaching and learning and assessment system, that is OTLAS, in collaboration with National Information Centers, NCRTs and NIOS, etc. So important provisions, there are mainly 5 components under the NILP or Ullas. The main 5 components are foundational literacy and numeracy. The second one is critical life skills. The third one is basic education. The fourth one is vocational skills, and the fifth one is continuing education. So this technology, this Ullas and portal app is integrated with the Diksha resources. Diksha is a online platform where the teachers, parents, students can get the free online courses, classes, etc. So as per the census 2011, the absolute number of non-literate of the country in 15 years and above, 15 years అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ వయసున్న non-literates మన ఇండియాలో యాజ్ పర్ ద సెన్సస్ ఆఫ్ 2011 ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారంటే నియర్లీ 25.76 crores ఉన్నారు. దానిలో మేల్స్ 9.9 crore అయితే ఫీమేల్ నియర్లీ 617 crores ఉన్నారు. మోస్ట్లీ నియర్లీ డబల్ ఉన్నారు.